The Buk-M2 is a Russian medium-range air defense missile system. This system was developed by the Almaz-Antey company. The Buk-M2 is designed to protect strategic areas from air attack threats, including fighters, helicopters, cruise missiles, and even drones. The air defense system has become one of the key components in maintaining national security, especially in the modern era where threats from the air are increasingly complex and diverse. The Buk-M2 is equipped with a sophisticated search radar to detect potential threat air targets. The radar has a wide range and high sensitivity, allowing it to detect targets even in adverse weather conditions or in dense electronic environments. One of the main advantages of the Buk-M2 is its highly accurate guidance system. This system uses a variety of sensors and sensing technologies to track and guide the missile towards the target with high precision. The Buk-M2 uses the 9K317 Buk-M2 air defense missile with a range of up to around 50 kilometers and a target height of up to 25 kilometers and a missile speed of around Mach 3. One of the main advantages of the Buk-M2 is its highly accurate guidance system. This system uses a variety of sensors and sensing technologies to track and guide the missile towards the target with high precision. The Buk-M2 is one of the most advanced and effective air defense systems available today. With a combination of advanced radar, accurate guidance systems, and powerful missiles, this system is able to provide excellent protection against existing air threats. As technology continues to develop, the Buk-M2 continues to undergo improvements and development to remain a relevant and effective solution in the face of modern air threats. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video.